Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still on topic 8, lesson 6. In the previous lessons, we learned and covered how to deal with coins, how to add coins, the value of different coins. We use Tallymark, how to organize strategies to find out how you can give total by adding coins with different values. We also learn about the dollar bill and the value of a dollar bill. Today we're going to learn about time. So let's see what we have in your book, page 349.
What is something you do that takes about 15 minutes? What is something you can do in less than 15 minutes?
All right. So in 15 minutes, I can ride the bus from home to school. Less than 15 minutes, I can eat a snack. Also in 15 minutes, I could eat breakfast or lunch. And of course, less than 15 minutes, I can do brushing teeth, combing my hair. So this is a fun activity. You can just, time yourself, see how long it takes you to do certain activity. Is it 15, about 15, or less than 15? All right. So let's see what we have.
You can use clocks to tell time.
Both clocks show 5 minutes after 8. How long does it take the minute hand to move from number to number?
Select your answer.
All right. So for this lesson, we will learn how to tell and write time to 5 minutes. So we have two types of clocks, and we have the minute hands. The question is, how long it take for the minute hand to move from one number to number? So as we see, move from 12 to 1. As we say, from 12 to 1, that's 5 minutes. So let's see if our answer is right.
The minute hand moves from number to number in 5 minutes. To tell time to 5 minutes, count by fives. Both clocks show 35 minutes after 8. You can start at 8 o'clock and count by fives to tell the time.
All right, so let's try this. This is like skip counting by 5. So if I start from 12 till 1 and I know that every jump from one number to another, that's mean 5. So from 12 to 1, that's 5. From 1 till 2, another 5, that's 10. From 2 to 3, another 5, that's 15. And then 20, 25, 30, and 35. So it's 8:35.
What time will it be in 15 minutes? How do you know?
All right, in 15 minutes, that means I need to add 3 numbers or 3 jumps. So from 35, one more 5, that would be 40, one more 5, that would be 50, and one more 5, that will be 55.
It will be 50 minutes after 8. When you count on 15 from 35 minutes after 8, you get to 50 minutes after 8. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. The minutes start over again each hour. Which moves more in 1 hour, the minute hand or the hour hand? How do you know?
All right, so let's go back and just say all the information we just learned, that the minute hand move from one number to number, and that's 5 minutes. So that's why when we skip counting, so we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes, that means 1 hour. And that's, as we see, it was 8 o'clock when we start the lesson. And then we skip count by 5 all the way till we continue 1 hour, 60 minutes. And that's when our hand moved from 8 till 9. So which moves more in 1 hour, the minute hand or the hour hand? The minute hand, because I know that the minute hand move 5 minutes from number to number, but it needs a whole round or the whole circle for the hour hand to move from 8 till 9.
The minute hand moves more. It moves all the way around the clock in 1 hour, while the hour hand moves only from one number to the next. Now you know how to tell time to the nearest 5 minutes.
All right. So this is how we tell the time. We know that the minute hand moves from one number to another in 5 minutes. So when the minute hand moves from 12 to 1, that's 5 minutes. From 1 till 2, another 5 minutes, that's 10, all the way till continue the circle and go back to 12. That's mean 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. And that's when we start the video, as we say, the hour hand moved in 60 minutes from number 8 to number 9. So from 8 o'clock all the way till 9 o'clock. All right. So let's go and see our guided practice activity on your book, page 350. All right. Complete the clock so both clocks show the same time. I look here and I know that this is 6:45 here, the digital. Let me see in my clock, 6:45. That's mean 6 and 45 minutes. So we can count all the way. And now I can see that the hour hands, it's going to be between 6 and 7 because it's past 6. It's 6 and 45 minutes. And then the minute hand will be on 9 because if I start from 12 to 1, that's 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All right, let's see number 2. 3 and 25 minutes. So I know that my hour hands is going to be between 3 and 4. Why 3 and 4? Because they're more than 3. They're 25 minutes past 3 or after 3. So let's use my hour hand would be at 3, between 3 and 4. And then the minute hand will be after 25 minutes. So let's count. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So my minute hands will be here. So now this is 3:25. All right, let's go for number 3. I see that the hour hands on 8 and the minute hand on 12. That means it's 8 and exactly 8 o'clock and no minutes. So let's write 8. So now it's 8 o'clock, no minutes. All right, let's go for number 4. It's 5 o'clock and 40 minutes. So now I know that my hour hands will be between 5 and very good 6. Why? Because the 40 minutes after 5. So the hour hands moving a little bit. So let's put my hour hands between 5 and, let's use green, between 5 and 6. And then I need 40 minutes. I know that starting from 12 to 5, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I need to put my minute hands all the way at 8. So now it's 5:40. All right, easy. All right, so I'll leave you with the rest of the activity in your book, page 351 and 352, and have fun and finish your exercise. That was it for today, second graders. We learn about the time. We learn about the minute hands that move from a number to number in 5 minutes. And we learned that it's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So this is how we tell and write time to 5 minutes. Thank you.